Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you getting frustrated doing keyword research for your YouTube videos because it's such a time-consuming process? Well, pay close attention because I'm going to introduce you to a time-saving tool that will help you find your keywords in a shorter period of time that will get your videos on the first page of YouTube. So you want to stick around. So before we get into the training, I want you to make sure that if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can do it in one of two ways. You can look in the lower right hand corner of your screen and click on the subscribe button, or you can go to www.drlisamthompson.com/subscribe. Because I create content on almost a daily basis and I don't want you to miss a thing. Now, you and I both know that video is the best type of content you can do to really build your brand to get more leads, reps, and customers for your business. But the challenge that people have is when they create their videos and they upload it to their YouTube channel is that they're not getting seen. And the reason for that is they're not using the right keywords, or they're getting too frustrated because it's such a time-consuming process to get keywords, to look for the right keywords. Now, I was on a training the other day, and I'm going to show you this training here by video marketing expert Mark Herbert, and he introduced me to a great YouTube keyword research tool that will help you find the right leads for your business, okay? And you can use these keywords to help you make sure that you're using the right, you're using the right keywords so that when people are typing in on YouTube, your video is going to appear in the search engines. So I'm going to introduce you to this tool, and then and make sure you stay with me, because at the end of this video I'm going to give you an opportunity how you can get this entire training where he's going to go into more in-depth about how to really maximize this tool. I'm just going to give you an introduction right now as to the ease of use with it. And then he's going to show you some other tips and tricks you can really use with this to really make your video stand out from your competition, as well as giving you a free PDF that can help you create high quality videos. So let me introduce you to the tool. So I'm going to come back here to my YouTube channel. And what you're going to be using is a keyword research tool called TubeBuddy. Okay, so what you're going to see is, you see this little icon up here? That is TubeBuddy. Okay, so you're going to find that you have to first go into Chrome and you want to type in TubeBuddy, and you have to get this extension installed first. And when you have that extension installed and you will log in with your Google account, then what's going to happen is you're going to see this little icon come up right above your YouTube channel. Now this is where it gets cool. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to type in a search term. So I am going to type in for example here, I'm going to take, let's say, MLM lead generation. Okay, so and whenever you're doing keyword research, it's always important to put your keyword surrounded by quotes, because what that will do is it's going to bring up the exact videos that contain this keyword in it. So when I click on that, as you can see, there's about 13,000 results that say MLM lead generation. Now, if you look over here on the right-hand side of your screen, here's TubeBuddy with keywords. So what we can do is we can look here and we can say show keyword score, and you can see that this is going to give you the search volume, the competition, and overall if you want to try to rank for this keyword. So you can go in, and this would be a good keyword that you can use in your tags for your video. So what you can do now, and this is really cool, and this is the real power of this tool, is you can look at some of these top videos here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the first one here. I'm going to quick pause it. All right, so this is going to bring up Videolytics. So you're going to see, all right, this particular channel for this elite networker. You can see he has over 3,000 subscribers and over 269,000 views on his YouTube channel. Now, what we want to pay attention to here are the keywords here. Now, you can see all of the keywords that he has. Now, this is what's really cool. You can click on this button here that says Show Search Rankings. Click on that, and now you're going to see where this video ranks, these keywords rank in YouTube. So what you can do is I would go in and you can just copy, and you can click here, copy tags, and then you can put that into a notepad. And what I would do is focus on the ones that are in the first 3 positions. So you can take leads online, MLM leads, MLM lead generation, guaranteed MLM leads, free MLM leads free, how to generate MLM leads, MLM lead generation software, MLM opportunity leads, how to get MLM leads. So you can take those keywords and put them into your tags. Then what you can do is make sure to use like one of these keywords and you put it into your video title and video descriptions. And then what that will do is that's going to help you get into ranking on that first page of YouTube for your video, so you can get more traffic. Now keep this in mind. YouTube and Google right now, they're kind of vying for the top spot as far as a search engine. So leveraging TubeBuddy for your keywords is going to be your best bet, because if you try using another keyword tool for Google, it might say 0 search volume on Google, but if you type that keyword here into YouTube, you're going to see more search volume. So it's better to go with your videos using TubeBuddy, because now you're going to have a chance to rank on YouTube, and YouTube's about to overtake Google. So this is going to be a real great tool for you to use to grow your business. Did you find this video helpful today with this introduction? If you did, leave a comment and share. Now, as promised, I want to show you what you're also going to get with this training by Mark. Mark has it's a 90-minute video training. I want to give this to you for free, because he's not only going to tell you, how to do some, he's going to go more into depth with keyword research, but he's also going to give you some other tips as far as structuring your videos, how long your videos should be, and really to do more in-depth keyword research so that you have the greatest chance of ranking your videos. And in addition, you're going to get a free companion PDF, because what YouTube is looking for is quality videos, and it's high content, high value. And so the other area that really gets people have difficulty with when they're doing videos is what can they be creating videos on. So Mark also created that one along with this training, 101 video creation ideas. And we have, it's a 4-page PDF that is going to give you everything that you need to create high quality videos that YouTube is going to love, and combined with using TubeBuddy is really going to help you build a great presence on YouTube to get you really more leads, reps, and customers for your business. Now, to get access to this training, all you need to do is go to www.drlisamthompson.com/ 101 ideas. You can see that right up here. That's www.drlisamthompson.com/101 ideas. You're going to come to a page just like this. You're going to click on the download button and then just enter in your best email address, and then what I will do is I will immediately send this over to your email box where you will get access to this entire 90-minute training. And then all you have to do to get your the PDF is you click the button right here and you will get that popping up right in your browser. So again, go to www.drlisamthompson.com/101 ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.